Just like everyone says, shooting in sunrise and sunset are the best times to shoot. And you get also some really cool depth in your top-down shots. However, this can go one step further. When it comes to top-down shots, look out for some cool long shadows. And this is a really unique perspective. As before, without drones, we didn't have this capability. Now, don't be afraid to shoot at other times rather than sunrise and sunset. 12 o'clock lighting, top-down shot is mostly bad for filming, but not always for drone filming, especially when it comes to water shots. This intense light from the top down turns the water in amazing colors of blue, green, aqua, depending on where you are. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please give me a like and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and to subscribe on my YouTube channel so you're not gonna miss any other video. Thanks again, cheers!